I turn around, everything's turning upside down. Toys are flying in the air, Jackson the dancing bear. Jackson is a black Labrador, but he is so much more. Jackson's a handful and a half, and he can make me laugh. Chase the frisbee, catch the ball, dragging his mattress down the hall. Rub my belly, scratch my ear, what an exhausting year. Jackson is such a funny pup, when is he growing up? Tossing his toys into the air, then there is Jackson's hair. There's a saying we all know, when we've drunk all night, just drink the hair of the dog, then you feel alright. Eating breakfast all alone, I see a dog hair on my scone. In the kitchen, on the stair, everywhere there's dog hair. We sweep the floors and vacuum too, but nothing seems to work. We give him baths and brush his coat, now one's stuck in my throat. Jackson is a fur machine, nothing ever seems to stay clean. Cleaning hair while Jackson plays, now the maids want a raise. Just when I think the place is clean, he throws me for a loop. Ready to dine, and then I find 3 dog hairs in my soup. There's a saying we all know, when we've drunk all night, just drink the hair of the dog, then you feel alright. Just drink the hair of the dog, my old friends would say.